Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn double entry bookkeeping system. I, Dr. Rakesh Suram, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dear students, very first we will learn the meaning of double entry bookkeeping system. This video is for each and every student of the commerce. You may be in first year BCom, second year BCom or third year BCom. You are learning double entry bookkeeping system since 11th standard, but some student might forgot the meaning of double entry bookkeeping system. So let's begin with double entry bookkeeping system. Dear students, every business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts on the basis of double entry bookkeeping system. This system of accounting was invented by Lucas Pacioli of Italy in 1494, but it was developed in England. The system is based upon the fact that there are two aspects of every business transaction. Every transaction involves at least two persons, two parties, or two accounts. According to English approach, if there is a receiver of goods, there must be giver of the goods also. This is an established fact that there cannot be any receiver unless there is a giver. In the same way, if someone purchases goods, there will be definitely some other ones to sell it. In other words, there will always be a purchase if there is a sale. To explain it further, we can say that if something comes in into the business, it will definitely go out from the business. In the same way, if there is a loss for someone, it will definitely be gain for someone else. This proves an established truth. Someone's loss is another gain. So every business transaction has two aspects. Every business transaction has two aspects. That is debit and credit. And this is called double entry bookkeeping system. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, डबल एंट्री बुककीपिंग सिस्टीम कशावर आधारित आहे? जर तुमच्या व्यवसायामध्ये काही येत असेल तर ते जाणार आहे. जर तुम्ही मालाची खरेदी करत असाल तर कुणीतरी ते माल विकत असणार आहे. जर तुम्हाला लॉस झाला तर तो कोणाचा तरी फायदा असणार आहे. याचाच अर्थ असा आहे की प्रत्येक व्यवहाराचे दोन पैलू असतात, आस्पेक्ट्स असतात. म्हणून लुकास पॅसिओली यांनी 1494 साली डबल एंट्री बुककीपिंग सिस्टीमचा इन्व्हेन्शन केलेला आहे. According to the modern American approach, every business transaction is concerned with assets, liabilities, capital, expenses, and revenue, whether individually or collectively. Every business transaction increases or decreases one of them, or increase one or decrease the other. Increase in assets and expenses are debited and decrease in assets and expenses is credited. In the same way, in capital, liability and revenue is debited and increase in them is credited. Dear students, we have already seen these rules, that is modern American rules, in the previous lecture. If you have not yet seen, please check out my video, American Rules of Accounting. Now, come to what are the features of double entry bookkeeping system. Number one, every business transaction affects two or more accounts. There are two accounts involved in every business transaction. One of them is debited and another is the credited. Certain transaction may involve more than two accounts, but the amounts of the accounts to be debited and credited will always be equal. It means if you have debited by rupees 10,000, you must credit by 10,000 rupees. Every account is divided into two parts. It's a second feature. All ledger accounts are prepared on the basis of books of original record. Either we make the journal or entries in the subsidiary books. So every account has two sides. Left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. The third feature is division of amount column as debit and credit. The amount column is also divided into the two parts, that is debit and credit. Whenever we make the journal, we have to make two columns, debit and credit. Fourth feature, it's a dual aspect of every transaction. The system is based upon this accounting truth that every debit has got its corresponding credit. प्रत्येक डेबिटला क्रेडिट यायलाच पाहिजे. This is why all business transactions are recorded simultaneously on debit side and credit side. एकाच वेळेस डेबिटलाही लिहायचं, क्रेडिटलाही लिहायचं. आपण जर्नल एंट्री केल्यानंतर त्याचा एक इफेक्ट डेबिटला नोंदवतो लेजर पोस्टिंग मध्ये आणि सेकंड इफेक्ट क्रेडिटला नोंदवत असतो. Next feature, it is based on accounting concepts and conventions. Dear student, you can check out my few videos of business entity concept, going concern concept. So the double entry bookkeeping system is based upon universally accepted accounting concepts. We will learn in the next lecture GAP, that is generally accepted accounting principles. Next feature, it is a preparation of the trial balance. According to the double entry bookkeeping system, business transactions are recorded first in either journal book or in various subsidiary books. Later on, ledger posting is done on the basis of journal, and at the end of the year or at the end of the month, we used to prepare the trial balance, and trial balance is a list of debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts. Trial balance is prepared to check arithmetic accuracy. And the last feature of the double entry bookkeeping system, it's a preparation of final accounts. At the end of every accounting year, we used to prepare final accounts. Final accounts comprises trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Trading account is prepared to find out the profit out of trading transactions. Trading means buying and selling of goods. Buying and selling of goods. That is gross profit or gross loss. And profit and loss account is prepared to find out the net profit or net loss of a business. That is from overall income and expenses of a company, including factory and office. And balance sheet is a statement which is prepared to see the position of the business, that is position of assets and liabilities. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you have any suggestions and if you want more videos from me, please write in the comment box. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.